From day one at TAIE Summer Camp, our students find themselves in a world alive with energy. New activities, new faces, and daily challenges keep each day moving, each one closing with a moment worth remembering. Here, curiosity leads the way. Our students explore new places, try what they've never tried, and see the ordinary in extraordinary ways. Learning comes naturally. Whether they're collaborating on a project or diving into hands-on experiences, our students gain real skills almost without noticing. And along the journey, they meet one another. Young people from different backgrounds share simple moments that slowly grow into meaningful connections. Most importantly, the camp inspires. With supportive mentors and new experiences, our students grow more confident, more creative, and more open to all that's possible. In a city as diverse as Toronto, every day at TAIE Summer Camp brings together different cultures, stories, and new perspectives. Our students don't just make memories, they learn to understand the world and each other in a whole new way. This is TAIE Summer Camp, where each day is filled with discovery, new friendships, and moments our students will carry with them long after summer ends.